Students, see here. So now we are going to do workbook problems. Workbook problems. So here we recapitulate what we did, say in textbook. The same similar questions we recapitulate. See here in performance time A, the question based on bar graph. The question based on bar graph. So here see. So the below bar graph gives the information about the number of students who like different colors. So number of students, about number of students who like different colors. So that information is given. So this is the horizontal axis, this is the vertical axis, vertical line and horizontal line. So in horizontal line, colors names given, red color, blue color, green color and purple color. Here number of students on vertical axis he has given, vertical line. So that is, so first here red color, how many students they like red color? 12 students they like red color. Then after that blue color, how many students they like blue color? So that is 14 students they like blue color. Then after that green color, how many students here till here? 12. In between 10 12 means 11 students. So 11 students they like green color. Why 11? Because this is in between 10 and 12. So that is why 11 students. Here purple color, how many students they like purple color? Till here 16 and this is 18. 16 and 18 between means 17 students they like purple color. So this is the information given. So in a bar graph. So then on the basis of this bar graph he is asking some questions. Okay. So what is the first question here? So which is the most favorite color? So which is the most favorite color? First we have to see, so in which bar we have the highest means maximum length. So maximum length is a purple color. So means purple color most of the students, so they like. So which color most of the students they like? Purple color. Purple color. Most of the students they like purple color. How to check? First we have to see the bar, length of the bars. So in these 4 bars, the purple color bar is a maximum in length. So purple color, most of the students they like purple color. Okay. Then the second question, so which is the least favorite color? He has asking least color. Least means lowest. So means 12, 14, 11 and 17. So which one is the least length of the bar? That is green. So green color is the least in length. So here it is green color. Green color. Green color is the least favorite color. Next, how many students like red color? Red color, how many students they like? 12 students. 12 students they like red color. How many students? 12 students they like red color. Then the next question, how many students like blue color? Blue color. How many students they like blue color? 14 students they like blue color. 14 students they like blue color. Next, how many more students like blue color than the red color? Blue and red. Here this is blue color and this is red color. How many more students like blue color than red color? Means indirectly he is asking the difference. So what is, how many more students? That is 14 minus 12. 14 minus 12. 2 more students. 2 students like blue color more than red color. Okay. Next, how many students like green color? Green color. Here we have a green color. So how many students they like green color? 11 students. How many students? 11 students. 11 students they like green color. Then after that, how many students were surveyed? So means surveyed. So total how many students were surveyed? So total how many students were surveyed? So it means total students we should find. So 7 plus 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 54 students. 54 students surveyed. Total how many students surveyed? 54 students. Okay. Okay students, 54 students surveyed. Now how many more students like blue color than green color? Blue and green, blue and green. Here blue 14 and green 11. How many more students like blue color than green color? Means difference we should find. 11 minus 4, 3 more students. 3 more students they like so green more than so more blue color than green color. So okay, so these are the answers. So on the basis of this bar graph. Okay. Okay students. Now the students next concept in performance time B, circle chart. In the circle chart, so here circle chart is given. So in that information is given. So first we should read the information and answer the following question. So here sector. So this is sector, first sector. This is first sector. This is represent walking. 40% walking. It represent 40% walking, and cycling. Cycling 24% cycling. 24% cycling, and swimming 18% swimming. 18% swimming, and golf 12% and others 6%. Others 6% is given. Okay. Now, so on the basis of that information, so answer the following. So which is the most liked sport? So which walking? So that is 40%. 40% that is most like. That is walking. Next. So which is the least liked sport? That is other. Other is 6%. Other. Okay. The next one, so among walking and cycling, walking and cycling, in between these two, so which is the most favorite? Which is the most favorite? This is walking is 40% and cycling is 20. Means so most favorite is the walking. Okay. Then next, among the golf and swimming. Golf and swimming. So in these two, golf is 12% and swimming is 18%. So which is the most favorite? 18%. 18 is the highest one in between these two, golf and swimming. So it means swimming. Okay. Now which is your favorite sport? So which is your favorite sport? It's not only in this, whatever your favorite sport that you should write here. Cricket, football, whatever. So here I am writing here football. Okay. So write your favorite game here. Okay. Now the students, now we are going to do brain booster problems. The first problem, so read the pictograph. So fast food liked so by children of an academy and answer the questions the follows. Also draw the bar graph for it. So read the pictograph. Read the pictograph here. Some in this he has given some food items and number of food liked is given. So children, so Chinese 20 children they like Chinese, and 50 children they like South Indian food, and 60 children they like North Indian food, and 30 children they like Italian food. Okay. Now he gave some questions based on this. How many children like Chinese food? Chinese food, how many children? 20 children. The answer is 20. 20 children they like Chinese food. Next question, how many children liked Italian food? Italian food, 30 children. 30 children like Italian food. 30 children like Italian food. Then after that, so which is the most favorite food? Most means here we have to see. So which is the highest number here? 60 means North Indian. North Indian food. North Indian. North Indian is the most favorite food. Which is the least favorite food? Least means the very least, that is the smaller number here we have to see, that is 20, means Chinese. Chinese food. Chinese food, the least. Chinese food, the least they liked. So, what is the difference between number of children who liked North Indian and South Indian? So, North Indian and South Indian, what is the difference? That is 10. 10 is the difference. Okay. So, what is the favorite between the number of children who liked Italian and Chinese? Italian and Chinese, these two. What is the difference? 30 minus 20, 10. The difference is 10. Which is your most favorite food among these? Which is the most favorite? So, that is which is the most, that you should write here. That you should write here. So, whatever you like, that is your answer. So, what you liked, that answer you should write here. Okay. So, which is your least favorite? Least also, that is whatever the least in this, that you write here. Okay. So, these two are, so these two answers are depends on your choice. Okay. Then after that, also we should draw a bar graph for it. We should draw bar graph. Okay. After that, we should draw bar graph. Okay, students. Now see here, bar graph. How to draw bar graph? See here. So this is the horizontal line. So take ruled paper. On a horizontal line, you should take name of the food, that is Chinese, South Indian, North Indian and Italian. So then on y axis means on vertical axis, number of food liked, Then here 20, 50, 60, 30, all are 10 multiples, take 10, 10 gap. So here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, like this. Okay. Now, the first Chinese is 20. 20 means we take graph 20 here. So 20. So we should draw 20 bar. Okay. So this is Chinese food. Number of students who liked. So that is in bar. So 20 students, they like Chinese. Okay. Then after that, South Indian 50. So where is 50? Here 50. From here. So we should draw a bar. So 50 students, they like South Indian food. Okay. This is 20, this is 50. Then after that, North Indian 60. So North Indian, so here 60 and North Indian. So 60 students. Okay. Then after that, Italian 30. Where is 30? Here we have 30. Italian 30, they like Italian food. Okay. So this is Italian. Then here 60, here 30. Okay. So this are our bar graph. This is our bar graph. So with respect to our given table. Okay. Now, so here read the given circle chart. This is circle chart is given. So this circle chart is also called pie chart. Okay. So about the mode of transportation is given. So of a children in a particular school, so and so. So answer the following questions he is asking. Here, so which mode of transport is used by the most of the children? Most of the children, they used bus. They used bus. Next question, next answer. Which mode of transport is used by the least number of children? That is taxi. Next, third one. So which mode of transport is used equal number of children? No, none of. All are different. Next, which mode of transport do you use? This is according to you. So which transport you are using to go to school, that you should write here. Okay. Either you are using school bus, or taxi or by walk, cycle, whatever. So that you mention. So whatever transportation you are using to go to your school, that you should write there. Okay. Now, which mode of transport is used more, car or bus? Car or bus? Bus. So this used more number of students, they used bus as a mode of transport. Next, which mode of transport is used maximum number, cycle or taxi? Cycle or taxi? If we compare cycle or taxi, cycle. So most of the students, they used cycle. Okay. Okay. So now see here, so in the third question, so read the given circle chart showing information. Some information is given, say about the budget of a family, and answer the questions that follows. Here family budget plan chart is given, so that is in circular chart is given. Food, on food they spend 33%, on miscellaneous 21% they spend, and clothes they spend 15%, and savings 6% savings, on rent 25%, 25% they spend. Okay. So this is the budget of a family given. So here, on which item is the maximum budget spent? Maximum budget, that is 33. So that is spent on food. So they spent maximum budget on food, Next, in the second one, on which item is the minimum budget spent? Minimum budget, that is savings. On savings they spend minimum, so minimum budget. Okay. Then next, on which item the budget spent more, that is on clothes or food? Clothes and food. If we compare these two, food 33% and cloth 15%, it means food. They spend more on food. Then, on which item the budget spent least, rent or miscellaneous? Rent 25, miscellaneous 21. So if you compare both, miscellaneous is less, that is miscellaneous. On miscellaneous they spent least budget. Okay. Say if you compare rent or music or miscellaneous, rent in miscellaneous they spent less budget. Okay. So and after that one more question is given in the fourth question. So he has asking to prepare your family budget like this circular chart. So and so see on which item so your family budget is more. Okay. So that is your home assignment question that you do by yourself. Okay. Now the students enrichment activity. So what is the main aim of this activity? So the main objective is to strengthen the concept of the data handling. So you should know, so what is exactly means, what is the data handling, then what is the use of the data handling, how to use this data handling so in the collection of the data. So that you should know. So by doing this activity. So then, so what are the material required? The material required is one sheet and pencil and scale. On a sheet of paper, so you should prepare a table like this, and this is the information about the TV programs the students they are watching. Okay. Ask your friends and write your friend name here. Serial number 1, your friend name. So about TV programs, in TV programs, so T and J means Tom and Jerry programs. The students who watch Tom and Jerry and Doraemon and DSS. So that is, so this is about, this means daily soap serials. Then after that movies. So this is QT means quiz time and news. These 5 channels. So those who are watching these 5 channels, just make a tick mark. Suppose if you one of your friend he watch Tom and Jerry, so then tick here, and Doraemon, he watch this Doraemon also, and this daily soap serial he won't watch. Then movies, suppose he watch, and so quiz time again he watch, and news. So then make a tick mark. So if these two comes under, so these two are so Tom and Jerry and Doraemon. So these two comes under here. So what? Tom and Jerry and Doraemon. These two are the cartoons. So then question time and news. If any student he watched Tom and Jerry and Doraemon, these cartoons, then he should get 1 mark. He should get 1 point. So if these two means these two comes under cartoons. So then here he will get 1 mark, and also he is watching quiz time and news. Here he will get 10 marks. For this he will get 1 mark, and this he is watching movies. For movies he will get 0 mark, and daily soap serial also he will get 0 marks. So according to that, so how many points the particular students will get? 11 points. He will get 11 points. So here, so write your student name here, means your friend name. So here Arya, so and so. So and so your friend name, so and what he is watching, just ask him and make a tick mark. If he watch cartoon, then he will get 1 mark, and quiz time and news, then he will get 10 marks. For this daily soap serials and movies, he will get 0 marks. And after that calculate number of points. Who score maximum points, then he'll win the game. Okay. So according to that, you should write your 5 friends or 6 friends, 10 friends names, and ask them about which TV programs they are watching and calculate the points. Okay.